Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of IndianSpiceMix.com. Today we will learn how to prepare Indian ginger tea or our very special Adrak Wali chai. It is a warm, spiced Indian tea. We are very fond of aroma, flavor and taste of ginger in our tea. This tea is extremely beneficial to cure common cold, cough, indigestion, nausea, etc. But apart from that, we make this tea almost every morning and evening. The soothing and fresh ginger tea gets ready in few minutes and gives a perfect start to any morning. We need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of tea leaves, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and for strong taste you need more than 1 inch of ginger, but here I have used 1 inch of ginger only, and few pods of cardamom. We'll crush everything together, and now it's time to prepare the ginger tea. We'll pour the water in a teapot, and then it's time to add the freshly crushed ginger and cardamom. Once it is hot, we'll add tea leaves, and we'll allow everything to come to a boil. We'll stir it and we'll allow it to brew for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll add sugar. You can add sugar as per your taste, or even you can omit sugar as well. And we'll give it a good mix after adding sugar. We'll boil this entire mixture for around 5 minutes or till ginger releases its flavor and aroma. Your kitchen will be filled up with its beautiful aroma. After it is boiled, we'll add milk. Those who prefer to have their morning tea without milk, they can strain it before adding the milk and enjoy the hot cup of ginger tea. But adding milk gives a very nice flavor to the entire Adrak Wali chai. After adding milk, we'll give it a good and gentle mix. The more the tea is brewing inside this mixture, you will smell the fresh ginger smell, and it is really an enriching experience. We'll boil it for another 1 or 2 minutes. And now it is time to serve. We'll strain it using a strainer. If you like to have some froth on top of your teacup, then try to pour it from a distance. And see, the beautiful froth is coming on top of the teacup. And now it's time to enjoy your hot cup of steaming ginger tea with your favorite biscuit or cookies. Enjoy it in the winter days with a warm sunlight and having the teacup in your hand. This experience can make any morning a very special morning, a beautiful morning. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to this channel. Until then, happy cooking. Thanks for watching.